Hello guys, welcome to the JP Coder channel for programming videos. Today we are going to start with the C++ tutorial, which includes the basic to advanced all the steps available in the C++. So in this session we are going to perform or learn the following four items, that is C++ history, what is C++, usage of C++, and the installation guidance. Okay. So the our first chapter will be C++ history. So about the C++ history, the C++ has been developed by the Bajarne Stotstrup, which is known as the founder of the C++ language. It was developed in 1980s by the Bajarne Stotstrup at the Bell Laboratories of AT&T, which is located in the USA. Okay, so the C++ has been developed for adding the feature of object-oriented programming concepts without significantly changing the C component. The C programming is relative, called as the superset of C, means any valid C program is also a valid C++ program. So there is not much difference rather than a small bit change in the syntax. So our next topic is what is C++. So the C++ is basically provides the advanced concept of C language. C++ is general purpose, case sensitive, free form programming language that supports object oriented procedural and generic programming. C++ is a middle level language as it encapsulates both means high and low level language features. C++ supports object-oriented concepts which includes inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. Now about the object-oriented programming concepts we are going to learn later in detail. So as of now just keep in mind that the C++ supports the object-oriented concepts too. Now where we use the C++ language. So basically there are four levels where we can use the C++ language, which includes Windows application, client server application, device drivers, and embedded firmware. Okay. Now we will see the installation steps, that how we are going to install the IDE for C++ program and how to run the program in that IDE. So there are multiple IDEs available in the market as of now for the C++ programming, but we are going to run our whatever we are going to run the future codes we are going to perform in the Visual Studio only. So for that you need to just go to the Google and type Visual Studio download steps, not steps, Visual Studio download for Windows, whatever. If you are using 10 or 11 you can search on the Google. Now you have to click on the very first link. After that there are multiple versions are available for the Visual Studio 2022. Now currently I am using 2019 version, but you can use the anyone which is the latest. So you need to download the community version only, as it is free to download. The rest versions are trial versions which are having the validity of 30 days only. So I will recommend to use the community version only. So you have to click on the free download. Once you click on the download, the file will downloaded in the download folder. You have to open that file and just keep the next, and you will be able to install the Visual Studio. As I have already installed the Visual Studio, so I am not going to perform all that steps. I am just opening the Visual Studio. So the initial stage will look like this. So this is the first window after the opening the Visual Studio. So whenever you are creating the other applications which are going to perform in the past, you are able to see their name over here. Now you have to click on the create new project. After creating new project, you have to rename it. Search for C++. After searching for the C++, there are multiple applications available you can create with, but you have to click on the console application as we are going to perform the codes from basic to advanced. So initially we are starting with the console application. Then simply click on next. Here you can give any name. My first application, I am giving the name. This is the path where your code has been stored. Okay, you can change it if you want. Simply click on the create. The project will be created over here. So in this window you are able to create or code whatever you want. Here you can see the build step, or you can find the errors if anything is there in this code. These are the project by default folders or source files. About this we will learn later, because we are going to start with the basics. So initially we are watching that how the code is running in the Visual Studio. So there is a button over here, local Windows debugger. You can either press over here or you can use the shortcut keys as given over here. So Control plus F5 will start debugging the project or the run the project, or you can simply use the F5 keys in some of the laptops. So this is the C++ program which is created by default by the Visual Studio. Okay, just click on F5. You will able to see that the build has been started and the program is debugging state. After the debugging is completed, you will able to see the output in the console window. So this is our console window. Whatever the output of the program, we are able to see it in the console window only. Now, if you press any key, it will automatically close. Okay, that's it for today, guys. We will learn about the programming in detail later in the upcoming videos. Thank you. Bye bye.